Hey guys, we're going to create an Easter basket folding surprise. All you're going to need is a white piece of paper, a pencil or a marker to draw with, and something to color with. I'm going to take my white piece of paper and fold it from the top down to the bottom, fold it in half, and then take that top flap and fold it back just like this. If you need to pause the video right now to follow that and to slow it down a little bit, you can. I'm going to use a Sharpie to draw, but if you feel more comfortable, use a pencil. I'm going to make two dots right where that fold meets the bottom half of my paper. Now it's really important that you keep your paper folded for these first couple steps before we unfold it. I'm going to do a zigzag bottom at the bottom for some grass. This is underneath my basket. And now a curved line down to my zigzags for the bottom part of my basket. I'm going to continue that line, but be sure not to draw on my top half of my paper. I'm going to draw some straight horizontal lines for the basket. And now I'm going to draw the top half of my basket. Now this is the handle of the basket. I'm going to put a little bow at the top. That's why I'm stopping right there in the middle. Just some curved triangle lines. Now, you don't have to add a bow on the top of your basket, of course, but you know, it's a nice touch for a really snazzy Easter basket. Now, after I add my bow, I'm going to add the little two pieces that hang down from the bow, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my basket handle. And the basket handle is two parallel lines that are curved. And then I'm going to add just some of the little decorations to make the bow look three-dimensional. The little pieces of ribbon that hang down from a bow, and a few other details. I am adding some curved lines on my basket handle where the basket is woven together, and the same on the part of my basket at the bottom. And then I'm going to add some alternating lines. This is the basket weave, so that it looks like a basket where the pieces are woven together. Okay, once I get this part done, then I am going to open up my paper and unfold it. And you'll notice there's a big space between the top and the bottom of the basket. Now I'm going to connect the top part of my drawing with the bottom. So I'm going to make the handle of my basket stretch all the way down to the bottom part of my basket on both sides with parallel lines again. And then I'm going to finish that pattern that I started with the curved lines. Now time to add some curved lines for an Easter egg or two. I'm going to add a couple different things in my Easter basket, such as a bunny and a little Easter chick inside of an egg. But you can decide what you would like to add in yours. Just make sure as you're drawing you need to stay above the straight horizontal line of the bottom of your basket, and you need to stay below the fold below your bow up top, and that will keep the Easter surprise a surprise. That's the cool thing. You'll see what I mean at the end. So I'm going to draw a bunny, some big floppy ears, maybe Peter Rabbit is his name, I don't know. I'm making this a very simple one with a little heart nose and a little round eye. Also, I'm going to decorate my Easter eggs and add a little cracked egg that's open and has a little chick in it. At any point, if you get lost and you need to pause or replay the video, that's the beautiful thing about a video, is that you can stop and watch it again if you need to. For my little cracked egg, now I'm going to add the chick inside, a very simple one. So I'm going to draw his neck and then kind of an oval, long oval shape for his head with a little tuft of feathers on top. And then just some eyes and a triangle beak. And there you have it. You have a cute little Easter chick. Now I'm just going to fill in some patterns and fill in some of my negative space, that's the space in the background that I feel is too empty, with some curved lines so that it looks like the eggs are in the background. They are overlapped by whatever is in front of them, but it gives it some depth and makes it look like my Easter basket's really full. So once you're done with your drawing, then it's just time to start coloring. I'm going to use markers, but you use whatever you have, and have fun with that. You could use crayons, color pencils, and just make it as beautiful as you can. So once you're all done, you can color in the background and fill it in. And another idea is you could also make this into a really cute card. But you'll be able to fold it closed like this. And when you unfold it, surprise, there's a full Easter basket. So have fun. I can't wait to see what you create, and have a wonderful Easter.